How to teleport to your spawn point in Minecraft Bedrock. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to teleport to your spawn point in Minecraft Bedrock. With the introduction of the respawn anchor in version 1.16, players will now have the ability to set spawn points in dimensions like the Nether. Additionally, experimental features in recent snapshots have enabled custom global overworld-like dimensions for creative gameplay possibilities. To complement this, a teleport command returning players to their set spawn or the world's default spawn location could be highly practical. Currently, killing a player technically resets them to their spawn point, but this results in unwanted consequences like lost items, experience, and altered statistics. Therefore, a suggestion arises for a command like /spawn username to safely teleport players. By default, this command would return the command executor to their personal spawn location in the correct dimension, or the world spawn if none exists. For example, executing /spawn some player would send that user to their saved spawn location or world spawn if it's not defined. Using a selector would teleport all loaded entities to their respective spawn points or to the default world spawn as a fallback. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.